everybody, I'm Rochelle and I want to share something with you. Yes, the opportunity of a Lila Rose. It is so exciting. We are the only direct sales hair accessory company. So there's like no competition, and we have an amazing 30 to 50% compensation plan and support like no other. We have your back. You have amazing support behind you. It is an awesome way to look and have great hair and share it with others. We're in hair management business. So, the FlexiClip and other products is so easy to use, yet they're so comfortable and very durable. It's an amazing quality. Did I mention it looks amazing? So if you've been looking for a hair solution, hair management solution, and a business, Lila Rose is the answer for you. So let me help you get started on your amazing hair journey and earning income. In the comment section below, you'll find the way to contact me, and I'd love to help you get started. Thanks so much for watching, and consider this opportunity.